Well, trading is closed on July 16th, 2019. We'll go over our calls, look for the pattern with the early high, which we got. Since there wasn't a sharp gap in the undesired direction, the odds were these targets would print, which they did. We get to cross this one off the list too. Today's pattern generates these higher targets. Unless we gap down smartly, that's my call. We got a sell signal early on. As soon as we got it, we rallied. The move is called false, and we eventually dropped and justified the signal, but the drop took out this low too fast. So within 2 trading days, we should come back to this line. That's this number. In the afternoon, we got ultimate sell and ultimate buy signals. We got the sell, not the buy. The move is called false, generates these targets here. If we don't gap down smartly, that's my call. Well, the old calls are in gray. The new ones are going to be in dark blue. We got the early high. We didn't get an all-day rally, so the usual bullish pattern failed. We should drop in a straight line, just like this. I'm kind of suspicious this might be a wedge, and if it is a wedge, we'll gap up and take out this high early. Won't know till early on tomorrow. We broke under this trend line here. It's a negative pattern, but it sometimes comes back and hits the line again and makes a peak right at the apex of the triangle. That's often where a change in trend occurs. We have some sell signals, don't know if they'll work or not. Wednesday's pattern has the early high, doesn't mean you won't gap down first. We have higher targets. If we don't gap down smartly, they should print. We have conflicting signals. It's negative that this pattern didn't close at the high. That's killed if we gap up and take out the high. It's positive we dropped all day, couldn't take out the lows. That's killed if we gap and take out these lows. Because of conflicting signals, the commonest thing is we gap and promptly move outside the day's range. Next most common, little change tomorrow, big move Thursday. Least common, neither of those things happen. Well, futures are down as I'm recording this, and if we gap down under these lows, which is a gap outside the range, these are off the table. I'd sure be a lot happier in spite of what futures are doing if we gapped up and took out this high. But just because I'd be happier, it doesn't mean I'm going to risk money on it, and doesn't mean I'm recommending anyone else risk money on it. We'll just say if we don't gap down under these lows, these are the targets. But in spite of what futures are doing, I think we have a real chance of gapping up and taking out the lows. Doesn't mean I'm going to risk money on it. Early high pattern tomorrow, that's the call.